Hello. First I'll show you the results you can expect when you working with Killbot, and after I'll show you how to configure the Killbot script. Killbot clusters all website visits on snapshot. Snapshot is just a number. Bots will be under their snapshots and the users will be under another snapshots. You can see user or bot's behavior for each snapshot in the web wizard. Let's see user visits and its behaviors. In Yandex Web Wizard we can see the user visits. User visits are different. They have different activity on the website. They have different time which user spends on the website, and I can see the data which Killbot sent to the Yandex Metrica web wizard. To see Killbot data, you must activate the session parameters. I am clicking on arrange columns, and I search session parameters and user parameters. Apply this. So each visit marked as bot or not bot. All visits here marked as bot false because I show you a user snapshot. Let's see bot snapshot. For example, let's see with bot's visits under this snapshot. I am opening the wizard, and I can see the visits with same activity and with same time which they spent on the website, and I can see the visit. Let's see the visits visualization. I'll show you. We can see the bot's visualization. Bot think that it swipes the real website, but it don't know that CAPTCHA was shown. Let's see another bots group. This is most professional group. These bots have different actions on the website. These bots have different behavior on the website. I can show the bot visualization. I'll find it now. So the action is only tabs, and let's see it. This bot tries to submit form, but it have no activity on the form. For each snapshot I can change custom action. For example, I know that this snapshot is bot. I can to show slider for all visits under this snapshot. I can block all visits with same snapshot, and if this is real users, no restriction for bots, no CAPTCHA for bots. So Killbot is a very flexible system that clusters visits to bots and users, and for each cluster snapshot you can change the custom action. Killbot works very good, very perfect, and it is very professional system. The first you need to know about Killbot is that Killbot is very complicated system. So if you have any questions, please ask contacts, write a Telegram or WhatsApp, and all your requests will be resolved. Also, Killbot is not black box where you put traffic and get some uncontrollable answer. Killbot is very controllable and configurable system. So if visit marks as bot, you exactly know why this visit marked as bot, and if was a mistake, for example user marked as bot, you can resolve this mistake, and all future users with such snapshot will be marked as user. With professional configuration, the chances of user being misidentified as bot are almost zero. Before starting to work with Killbot, it is required to review FAQ section. Read everything here and watch all these videos. Another important thing is that Killbot may be integrated via API. So if you have your custom product, you may integrate our anti-fraud algorithms into your source code. Killbot integration is very simple. You must place a JavaScript file into your website, and after the verification result can be obtained by a simple GET request to our server. If Killbot was integrated well, then bot rates drop to 0.2%. It is very good indicator. So you have started working with Killbot. You already read FAQ and watch video. It is time to create script Killbot. So first you must register on a website mykillbot.net with, and when you do it, you must to click add script in the left menu. Let's talk about settings. First of all, here is a video link with video instructions. First of all, I must to type script name. This script is only for display in script list. Let's type test. After I am placing the website URL, and after that I must to type a Yandex Metrica tag number. Yandex Metrica tag number is required because Killbot sends data to Yandex Metrica and each visit marks bot or not. It is very simple to analyze visits because I have video visualization, and I can to make different reports with bots and user visits. So to receive Yandex Metrica tag, please create an account by this link. If you have some problems to create an account, please ask contacts and I'll create an account for you, and because it is required a phone number in my country, maybe SMS verification for some reason will be failed for you. Snapshot browsers groups and snapshot bots groups. This is two main settings. These settings can be difficult to understand. I recommended to check all these groups. If you check only some groups in snapshot browsers, then script can start working incorrectly. For example, all visits will be marked as bots. Do custom checked only if you understand what are you doing. If not, please check all these fields. Now I'll explain what is snapshot browsers. When user visits website, the Killbot system creates its snapshot. The snapshot is a number, and this number represents the user's software. This software may be Chrome or Firefox in user case, and this software is bot software if bot visits our website. Killbot provides a system browser snapshots by default. So if I can see it here, browsers, system browsers payment, system browsers human-like behavior, and system browsers CAPTCHA. If when users came to website, Killbot creates its snapshot, and if his snapshot match snapshot from system browsers groups, then this is a real user visit. Snapshot bot groups. There are very many bots in the internet, and it is impossible to coach all of them. You can to create a group specific for your website and place your custom website bots to this group. To create a group, we have a section in left menu. Here is a bots group, and to create a bot group, just press button. uh, how to create a bot group and place custom bots to this group I'll discuss in the next video. Next option, if visit snapshot not in group. So when visitor comes to website, Killbots create his snapshot, and this snapshot may be in browser groups or in bot groups. So if snapshot not in the browser and bot group, how this snapshot must be classified. It may be classified as bot or user or auto detect. I recommended used a bot option. Bot it is very good selection to start working with Killbot. But when you collect traffic and analyze them, and when you collect the bots of your website into your bot group, after that you may choose this option to user or auto detect. For example, if you want to use Killbot with contextual advertising, I recommend to place these options as bot. Next option, exclude Yandex metric attack from for bot visits. Place no. In English case, in place no. If bot tells that it is bot. This is very important option because in the internet there are very many good bots. For example, advertising checking bots. For example, website checking bots. Some bots checked that scripts on website installed correct. Some bots checked that the website is alive, and these bots not hide themselves. If the user against strange contain information that they are bots. So this option is specified how such visit must be classified by Killbot. I recommended to set it to user. Some bots, some good bots are classified by system snapshots. For example, Apple bots, Google bots, Bing bots. If they checked here, then all they will be classified as user, as real users. If I want classify them as bots, I must uncheck them. For example, with I check, uncheck, and I must to set this option to bot. But it is very this is not popular setting, so I'll stay like this. If the Killbot script not fully loaded, often bots not fully loaded website to speed up their work. Additionally, website may be not fully loaded because bad internet connection, because some browser exceptions block some scripts, and any other reasons. So how such visit must be classified? By default, I recommend to mark this visit as bot. Next option, if Killbot script is removed. Some bots speed them up by cutting different scripts. Also, some browser extension can remove some scripts from website. So how such visits must be classified? I recommend to to select a bot, and when you collect statistics and see that some real users removed Killbot script, you may change this option, but most likely this is a bot. Very important options, killbot integration method. By default, I recommended to start collected the analytics by hidden integration. Hidden integration works as any analytics tag. For example, Google Analytics, your website work, Killbot collect and save data to Killbot server, and this data you may analyze in Killbot dashboard. But hidden integration have no actions on bot. For example, if you want to block bot's visit, or if you want to show slider, you must choose verification page. So if you want to prevent spam on your website, the verification page is a good integration method. If you want collect analytics, then hidden integration is good method. Also, if you want use Killbot in advertising systems, hidden integration is always good solution, because in this case bots collect to bots audience, and this bot audience execute from shows in your advertising company. But if you have advertising traffic which have bots conversions, then we must to choose this integration to verification page to prevent conversions from bots. Display CAPTCHA. So if I have integration method by verification page, I can display CAPTCHA for bots or display CAPTCHA for all. If I choose display CAPTCHA for bots, in this way only bot snapshots CAPTCHA will be shown. If I choose show slider for all, then for all users slider will be shown. In next video I'll discuss how to use this option show slider for all for analyzing Killbot traffic. If my site created using site builder, then I must to check this option, because in this way the integration are most simply. Here I choose as subscription, and I'll check the subscription now, and next. On these steps I must to integrate Killbot on my website, and here is a message tells how can I integrate a script on my website. If I scroll down, here is a field with Killbot script. If your site located on the hosting, you must to create this file, copy this script and place it into your file. Save it and copy it into your hosting, and your this file must be accessible by this link. After, place this piece of code to head tag of your website. And if your website was created via website builder, integration is simply you must just copy this script, place it into script tags, and place it into your website head on your website builder. If you have no access to the head, you may place this script into the body, but in this case only hidden verification will be accessible. Next field is add this code to HDSS file. This isn't required settings, you may miss it. This settings is only for professional users, and the settings may prevent spam if your website have some security holes. And another options, URL parameter to store the bot detection result. For example, if you receive a leads and you want to know who is after of lead, user or bot, you may specify with parameters, and this parameter will be store the bot checking result. I'll show you now, and let's see how Killbot places bot detection result to the URL. I'm entered to the site in the bot mode, and I can see that the bot parameter was added to the URL. And the last settings is testing mode. For example, if I configured script and I want to see how my website responds on bots or user visits, I must to enable testing mode. For example, if in your snapshot dashboard you marked this, for example, this snapshot as bot, and you checked slider for it, you may check how website will be answer to visit with this snapshot. I press test link, and I see that slider showed to me, because sites think that I am a bot. If I use a user snapshot, I can test it, and when I am user, I have access to the website without slider. That's all. Try Killbot system, configure it, understand it. Killbot may detect all human-like bots. So use Killbot, ask technical support, and all your bots problem will be resolved.